Hi, welcome to the second chapter. Before starting this lecture, if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all our upcoming lessons, tips, and tricks about mastering the Soroban. Don't forget to join our community on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where we share additional resources, practice challenges, and engage in discussions with fellow enthusiasts like yourself. Join the conversation and be part of our growing community of Soroban learners. In this lecture, we're going to learn how to manipulate beads, activate and deactivate fingers we will be using to move beads. Starting from this lecture, we will be practicing every step before jumping further. So, make sure you have your own abacus. As we mentioned in the previous lecture, each column in the Soroban contains 5 beads, one above the horizontal bar called upper bead, or heaven bead, and 4 below the horizontal bar called lower beads, or earth beads. The heaven bead here doesn't touch the horizontal bar, so it's inactive. Let's slide it down until it touches the horizontal bar. Now it looks like it's awake. Once it touches the horizontal bar, the bead become active. In the other hands, earth bead become active also when it touches the horizontal bar, but the movement is reversed here. Instead of sliding down, we slide it up. Remember, the Soroban is a versatile tool for performing various arithmetic operations. Learning to activate and deactivate beads effectively is fundamental in using the Soroban efficiently for calculations. Practice and familiarity with the instrument will enhance proficiency in manipulating the beads to perform mathematical operations. The usage of specific fingers while manipulating beads is mandatory, as the main purpose of using the Soroban is to gain more speed and accuracy. The placement of the middle finger on the upper beads facilitates a consistent and controlled movement, allowing for swift and accurate calculations. This finger, being relatively stronger and less prone to fatigue, aids in swiftly manipulating the upper beads, thereby enhancing the speed of computations. On the other hand, the dexterity and fine control offered by the index finger and thumb when maneuvering the lower beads enable a precise and meticulous handling of individual units, contributing to error reduction and maintaining accuracy throughout the calculation process. The combination of using these specific fingers optimizes the Soroban's functionality, enabling users to perform calculations swiftly and accurately, essential qualities when mastering this traditional and revered tool for mental arithmetic. Again, you can check out our educational book for more explanations. And also our community in the social media. Hit the subscribe button, like and share. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna dive deeper in the Japanese abacus and learn how to represent a number, or read a representation of a number on the Soroban. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lecture.